Royal Palms. Constructions has started and soon there will be a new phase released with 66 apartments. Resort features: lush landscaped resort area, infinity edge beach pool, kids play area, electric car charging points, indoor gym, vast resort area, infinity beach entry pool, lush gardens, children's aqua, play area, co-working space. With ample space to relax in the sun or chill in the shade, it will be hard to tear yourself away from our bespoke designed resort area. And with family values at the heart of everything we do, we have ensured that there is plenty of space for the younger members of the family too.